Hello everybody, this is Sisa and today I'm going to show you how to make a Swiss flag. So first take a drawing sheet and then cut it in the ratio 1:1, in this case 23 centimeters into 23 centimeter, like this. So here on the side, first put a mark on 9.2 centimeters like this, and another mark on 9.2 centimeters from this side, and then do it on all the four sides. Now draw parallel lines from the dots you have drawn like this. Make sure that these lines are not thick so that you can erase this later. You may draw it multiple times so that you can see clearly, but not so thick that it will be hard to erase. Like that. Now put a mark on 5 centimeters from the middle, for example like this, 5 centimeters on all the sides. Now draw parallel lines. If this line is thick, then there's no problem because we're not going to erase the lines. Okay, now erase these lines, and by mistake if you have drawn like me some extra lines to draw, erase this whole square and this squares. Now it should look like this, and I'm telling you the dimensions again. From here to here 9.2 and 9.2 on all the sides. 9.2, first draw a line with a mark on 9.2 on all the sides, and then join the lines, join the dots using parallel lines, and then from 5 centimeters from here put a mark, and then draw another line, and then erase all the extra lines, and now you're done. So now we're going to paint it, and for those who know how to paint and are quite professional, I recommend you this brush. This brush is 1 millimeter. I don't know what it's called. The brush. What do you call it? The brush. Okay. And this part is called I don't know what it's called. This is 7 millimeters. Those who are quite unprofessional, I recommend you to use this, and who are quite professional, I recommend you to use this, the 1 millimeter ones. The size is 6, and this size is 4, and I'm going to use this Camel Fabrica red or Crimson 062. So let's start. So it's the Swiss flag which I made. It's not that perfect because it's just a very short video, and it's very simple and very beautiful. So, and also I want you to sponsor my friend's channel. He's working a lot, yet he has only 9 subscribers. I will put down a link to his channel in the description. Please visit his channel. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and always thank you for watching. Bye bye.